Okay, traders, this is yesterday's London Open watch list. I did a video on this for our members, and let's take a look at the watch list. If you're manually trading these yourself, let's take a look at the watch list results. If you would have followed a strict set of rules, okay, and I'll explain that in the video. Strict set of rules. So we'll just go over here. Now, I've just pasted it into the sticky note. Let's take a look. This is the London session yesterday, CAD Yen 5-minute chart, and the London session kicked off. Okay, this blue line here. What we're looking for is to enter the trade on the first signal after this box. The first bullish, disregarding bearish and bullish, that's just telling us that price is broken out of the box. The signals we're looking for specifically are, or is this one here, the breakout. That one, the BR, or the up or down triangles. That's it. Those signals come from this one, the trend momentum sync, so you can see the little green triangle and the green zone flashing on and off. Sorry, wrong one, that one. And the other signals coming from this indicator here. Strict set of rules, CAD Yen. This is bullish, so we're looking for the first green signal. Long position, there's the first green signal on the pullback. Stop under the previous low. Go for 2R. Or you can actually target, see this purple line? There would be a purple, possibly a blue one, maybe, no, but that's the previous 8-hour. Yellow is the previous daily, so that would be a target. Okay, so this one, we're looking at 2.8, 2.9R, or if you pulled it to the line itself, that actually just touched it. Anyway, 3R, tight stop under these green dots, the previous low. Okay, so that one, 3R. Very strict set of rules. Okay, the Aussie Yen, yesterday, right, we didn't, or did we? Yes, we did. This is the box, and we're looking for the first green signal. There, you'd come in on a pullback. You wouldn't chase that. Fib trace, low to high. All right, and the other signal kicked in right there. In any case, let's say you did FOMO in. The breakout signal happened here on the next entry. Stop under the previous low. So we're up 3R. Targeting, see the purple line? All right, that's 4.8R. Let's just call it 4R. Okay, tight stops. Entry on the signal. Very nice. I mean, look, you know, even if you went with a wider stop, just call it 2. Let's just call it 2R. There you go. Stop around that previous low. There you go, 2R. All right, the next one was Euro Aussie bullish. Okay, after the London session open, this one, I've gone in with a wider stop. But if we run with, after the thing, we had this breakout right here. Stop under the low, okay, tighter stop. And we could target that purple line. That's only 1.3R. So, you know, if that's the case, you just go for a 2R by default. That would do. And there's a 2R reach there. Okay, so there's 7R. This is following my watch list yesterday. Euro Yen, 2R reached. This one was in VIP. Actually, this was one I posted for the general public. The Euro Yen, our VIP guys took this trade. Let's just call it 2R. Or no, you would target this purple line, and the stop loss would have been a lot tighter. You know, there's 3R. This is what's possible. This is what's possible if you follow strict set of rules. Tight stop, go for the purple line or 2R, whichever comes first. The NAS, the US 500, we were looking for the buy. This is after the London Open yesterday. After this box, after our initial range completes, then we look for the signal. Okay, the initial range completed. We actually had a signal right at the end of it. It trended up, came back down. Well, you could have caught that. And up to the purple line, we've got a, just call it 3R if you like. Okay. This is looking very interesting, guys. It's 13R. This one was the same, US 500. Purple line is way, no, look how it respects it. 4R. You know, if you go for the purple line, otherwise you just go for 2R. And then the pound Aussie and pound CAD, did we get signals? That's the question you have to ask yourself, right? These ones didn't work out. We were looking for a bearish opportunity, and so we got to go for the first bearish signal. So that was the, let's take that out. That was the box. So we're looking for a bearish signal after the box in the London session. We didn't get it. This is the New York Open. We don't touch it there. So we're looking for the London session trade. So that was a no-go, no trade, because we didn't get the signal. And the pound CAD was a short. Did we get a signal? That wasn't a trade. Okay. We're looking for the signal after the box, and there's no, well, right into the, you're not going to be trading right before the New York Open. So we're looking for the breakout at the London Open. No trade. Okay, guys, 17R. If you had followed a strict criteria, and it's a very simple set of rules, as I mentioned in the video. I didn't take these trades, by the way. That's going to change. And my stops tend to be a bit wider. That's also going to change. Okay, so we're in for some interesting times ahead. This strategy that I'm trading the session is as a result of, let me show you, the volatility that has kicked in since the Bank of Japan bumped up their interest rates by 25 basis points. All right, now, see this green line here? All right, that's the Bank of Japan rate rise, right? 25 basis points. It caused chaos in the markets. Prior to that, look at the volatility range. The volatility range was really tight. This was when the BOJ rates were around 0%. Okay, that happens. And then since this period in time, we've had this volatility, and it spikes, it crashes, it spikes, it dumps, it spikes, it dumps, and it's relentless. Spikes, dumps, spikes, dumps. Okay, you got Trump and his rhetoric causing more chaos. This was leading into the US elections, right? So you've got all of this, and we've had to find a strategy, a way to beat this volatility, and we've absolutely got it. All right, so again, strict set of rules. If we follow them, it's a game changer. Right, so this was what I posted into VIP yesterday. This was the watch list. So we've got another watch list today, guys. Okay, let's just see what we can do with that. And the rule is wait for the pullbacks, blah blah blah, and the signals off the momentum sync indicator or the trend channel indicator up here. By the way, look, if you haven't already, VIP has a 7-day free trial, and you can take this for a test run yourself. Full access. The link's on the website. Okay, guys, with that, have a great day, and see you in the next one.